ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच दैवी ह्येषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते न मां दुष्कृतिनो मूढाः प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमाः माययापहृतज्ञाना आसुरं भावमाश्रिताः। Seventh chapter, 14 and 15 sloka. Jnana Vijnana Yogam. In this chapter, Bhagavan Krishna keeps telling that Jnanam. The previous chapter was Nididhyasanam, Dhyana Yogam. So, we all know all human pursuits should be. There are 4 pursuits: Artha, Kama, Dharma, Moksha. In these 2 sloka, 14 and 15, Bhagavan Krishna says, who can attain higher status, who can't attain higher status. The 14th sloka, who can attain higher status, who can't attain higher status in 15th sloka. In the previous sloka, Bhagavan Krishna told the 3 gunas. So here in the 14th sloka, who can come out of that 3 gunas controlled Maya, those people, the Bhagavan Krishna he earlier told in the previous sloka, unfortunately many people they don't know me and my nature. That's what told. So who know Bhagavan's nature, that person can surrender to him. So that person who can come out of the control of Maya, the 3 gunas Maya, those people, Daivi Hesa Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratyaya Mameva Ye Prapatyante Maya Metam Tarantite. In the previous Janma, who has done lot of punyams, who was already into this, as Bhagavan Krishna earlier told, who the sincerely worked in the previous Janma also, they will born in a rich and cultured family and Panditas family. That type of people, they will understand Maya, they will understand the nature of 3 gunas, and they can easily come over from it, and their sincere effort, more or less in this birth itself, they may attain. They will surrender to me and they will follow me and they will listen to me and they will strictly do what I ask to do. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. Those people in this Janma, Dharma, Moksha, these 2 who are all dominated, those people can easily reach higher status. In turn, the 15th sloka, Bhagavan Krishna says, Duskritinaha Naradamaha Mayaya Pahridatjnana Asuram Bhavam Asritaha. Who is not in a position to come out from the 3 gunas influence, only who is concentrating on Artha and Kama, and who has not gained enough punyam in the previous janma, though they born as a human birth in this janma too, but they don't have enough punya. Because of that, duskritinaha, they have less punyam. Because of that, also naradamaha, though they born as a human birth, human being, they are little low in the sense they will be they will not be having discriminating power. Because of the discriminating power absence in them, they will be deluded from jnanam. They will become ajnani. Abhakrita jnana, for them their knowledge will be removed, hidden, hide. Then asuram bhavam asritaha, they will think about not suraha, asuram, the low mean people. So these three type of people, they will not. So these quality people, they are mudaha. They will be deluded. Who deluded, they will be giving more interest on, they will be having more interest on artha and kama, not dharma and moksha. The previous sloka, dharma and moksha, they continued in the previous, they were having the same lifestyle in the previous janma, and this janma also they will continue to do the same thing, and they will come out of, and they will surrender to Bhagavan, and they will come out of three guna influence, Maya, and they will reach the higher status. The 15th sloka, these people, duskritinaha, naradamaha, abhakrita asuram bhavam asritaha. These people, they are deluded from the jnanam. They will continue ajnanam. They cannot come out from the three gunas influence of Maya. They will not surrender to me also, and they will be like that only. They will not reach the higher status. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in these two slokas. Tomorrow we shall see 16th, 17th sloka, 16th sloka onwards. 14 and 15 we saw today. We'll see tomorrow 16th sloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.